Alright. Today we stole the school, Mal gave us this piece of school property. And we're gonna fix it today on RNG Customs. So we're gonna take all these off because they started bending because of all the weight. We're gonna take them off and we're gonna re-weld them. 2 of them already broke off.
They broke on my foot.
So we're gonna clean this up. We're gonna paint it. It should be good, right? We're gonna put her on the lift now.
Lift?
We use our advantaged jers.
Get her on there?
You want to lift the lift up?
I don't know how.
Does big boy want to lift the lift up?
Show me how and I'll do it. That's it? This is a little button? What? Tell me when to stop. I don't know. It's up to you.
Alright, now, ourselves a lift.
Oh no, we almost went back. What'd you just say?
Alright, here we go.
You know what?
Now we're just gonna clean her off. I think carb cleaner is a good thing for this one.
Oh.
It cleans it. It evaporates.
Yeah, evaporates. Carb cleaner is my favorite.
It smells good.
Minus 8 brain cells.
Fine.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, it should be fine, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna use a different cleaners. I don't think carb cleaner is best. Hear me out, alright? Let's use legal poison.
I like that.
See that? See those?
Lacquer thinner? What's that?
See this?
That must be good for you.
See the good triangle?
Yeah, this says it's good for you.
That's the death triangle. Danger, poison, vapor, harmful. May be fatal or cause blindness if swallowed. Blindness if I swallow it?
I'm blind.
I'm blind. I have to call a physician immediately if I swallow it. So do a magic trick if I swallow it. Oh.
Oh, Cummins.
Oh. What is that? No. Is that for you?
Give it a wipe.
Oh. See, WD has oil in it.
Yeah,
and
it's
oil
lubricant.
is not a good cleaner.
Wait, why are we spraying this with stuff if we're gonna grind it down? Yeah.
That's crazy.
How big exactly?
Like massive.
Yeah, you sent me that.
How massive?
Big.
Dude, this
Big.
pen is flaking off of here. Look at that.
Mal, we're doing you a favor. Oh, would you look
It used
at
to be
that?
yellow.
Yeah, it wants like.
So down
I
the
could
bare
use
metal
my
right there.
points.
Yeah, Mal, look at that.
I could use my points, but it wants me to
That's not good.
connect a credit card.
Pretty
to it.
$4.20.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
It's tradition. You guys to film. Sometimes.
It's because I'm black.
Right in my face. I'm gonna eat. You want to?
I'm not an expert.
Hurt yourself.
Sir.
Oh, you know what? Do you know where we don't have any air and that isn't working correctly? The air compressor is plugged in. It wasn't going, then I got going, so I had to go back, and then they come off, so I went back. But it's working now, I got it good. Oh, fuck. Yeah, there.
Right there. So now that edge looks pretty straight. See that?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Straighter than the whole 8th grade.
Okay.
Look at this.
I can hold it longer.
Rip.
Do something. Rip it. Oh, he's going. That's all you got? Oh, burnout. I'll edit some smoke in there.
He's just over working and we're just
Mustang.
good job, yeah. This smells good.
Yeah.
Smells like our old weight room paint.
It does.
Oh god, smells like
There you go.
this is how you get air in a wheelchair.
Well, that didn't work, did it?
Your legs work. Your legs look like they worked for a second.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, it's a miracle. Oh, hitting. You're whipping it. Oh, I think he's done. Oh, he went down. He went down. No, you looped it.
I was teaching it.
Dang. I wish I would have caught
Back
that.
to our lesson, Tyler.
He's almost done.
Here's how you crank it. My arms are getting sore from cranking it.
I know. Nice
What
job.
did you do?
Did you cut your finger, or is it just?
It just grazed it.
Jeff, stop losing your finger.
You didn't almost lose it. Look, it's totally fine. You
Dude.
can just see where the dust is.
Jeff, you crushed your pinky.
Alright.
Cut your thumb off.
Let me. Wait, where's the glove at?
Calm down.
Oh, that's probably fine though.
It's all the way through. So these are, you weld this. I need to grind into this one. This one's about to break off.
Okay, yeah. That's what I thought. I was looking at the welds and I was like, oh, that's not
But I
good.
think we can just make the welds nicer under there.
Yeah, no, that's what I was thinking. Just like,
I gotta grind
just a
out.
mountain of weld on it should be fine.
I mean, this has to.
He's ripping. Oh. Oh, is that a wheelie? I heard Braxton's the best at wheelies. I'm calling out Trevin Scoob. Braxton, we're calling out Trevin Scoob for wheelies.
Oh no! Oh no, I'm screwed.
You got it. Let me see your best wheelie.
Ah!
Oh.
I air wheelie.
Alright. Now, we got this thing all grinded down. She's nice and grinded down. Alright. So, They're throwing planes. So, we got this little trick in my bobber, and this will square it up. So
Get her,
we'll
Bob.
do this, right in there. A little bit of that. And that should perfectly square.
Metric is what they like to call it.
Geometry? Never got to that class.
I got to the, what is it? The,
Math 8.
Math 6?
Special Education Math 8.
No, Math 6.
Oh, Math 6? But we're in 8th grade.
No, 6 is better than 8.
6 is better than 8, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Just say yes. Be quiet.
Talking about how 6th grade math is better than 8th grade math.
Yeah. I'm talking
I
about
got it.
man.
Safety squints.
Be quiet, cripple.
Alright, I'm gonna throw a little tack on there so we can take this magnet off.
Safety squints.
There we go.
Squint for safety.
Ouch. Long sleeves is necessary. Alright. Now. Should be good.
Stage 1.
Now I'll throw a little tack on this side and then I'll weld it between the tacks.
Now it's poor Jimmy. You're the one that broke it. I was grabbing me some big boy plates.
Yeah, I was trying to squat 225.
I know, I was just tacking.
Yeah, we were trying to get some 45s and they fell on my foot and then Rusty threw one on my foot.
Whoa, I thought I was darker than you.
Yeah, let me
Who's darker? I think Braxton is.
Yeah, you're red.
Make sure you
I know.
Because you ran.
I've been running.
to that bar.
Yeah, I know.
Make sure you touch that.
So you gotta stay up here for 3 seconds and then dip down for 1. Right? So you go 1, 2,
Hey guys,
3.
look at these
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because this one's much thicker than this. Right? I think that's how geometry
Stop
works.
talking what glasses said.
I'm not repeating it. I'm just paraphrasing. There we go. Ouch. That hurts a lot.
Oh, that's on. That was on fire. No bug. Ooh. Dude, if these break the instant we put a plate on there.
We're giving Mal a 10-day warranty, and if they break, Braxton and Trevor
This many days.
fail this semester.
Wait, what?
Fail?
Now, no.
You get an F for this semester if this breaks in 10 days.
This is.
I only have a B in that class.
I have an A+. If we get love and care from now, that's good enough.
I know.
We fix it too. We just fix it.
You're not a part of it. You're just in a wheelchair.
What do you mean, so what?
Safety squint.
Ground sucks.
Yeah, you're on.
Just a little.
Oh, you want to see
The better
glasses
weld.
incident?
That must have hurt.
Yeah, just.
It didn't hurt him at all.
It's crazy. He started laughing about it. Let's check out my head.
He laughs about when
Safety.
he laughs when he hurts himself. He squished his pinky like a grape and started laughing.
Put some tape around it.
There's that 350.
Hey, Phil.
Hey, man.
Hey man, I'm Baby J. We live right here. Give me more,
Just say wham, 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 wham.
like that.
You're cracking it out. Well, I'm gonna throw some warm-up tags on it.
This. Wow.
I got squirted on by a middle.
Oh my god.
You what?
Test it by putting. I'll put my weight on that when it's sitting down.
Should we throw another weld right here? I think this is losing strength right here, guys.
I would say. Whoa. Is it hot?
No.
All right, yeah, weld right there,
right there.
and then maybe one right here, just for a little extra support.
Alright. I'm burning myself so badly.
Then
that
maybe
one
put
plate.
on something smart, dude.
What? Oh,
That's
sorry.
on fire. What is on this thing?
Paint.
No, it's actually
Oh my god. Dude, it's just peeling away. Focus. Yeah, it's just peeling off. Oh my god.
Buzz, get out.
It's in my lungs.
Oh, I bet it is.
I must have smelled it.
Might be turning into Jesse Sales while that's smoking you.
Vaping. Jesse Sales got caught in the bathroom vaping.
Bathroom.
Bathroom. In the bathroom. The women's bathroom. Okay. You like that? Yeah, I got that one, and then I'm gonna weld right there. It didn't turn out so good. Background. That's what I'm blaming it on.
Good brown.
Like it was like sputter, like real bad. Might be the paint. I don't know. I'm just gonna weld right here. So.
This is like a make or break for Mal.
It's gonna be a break.
Oh yeah.
No, here we go. Mine doesn't care. We'll build him a brand new one if this one doesn't work.
You should take pride in it and do it.
We are.
You wouldn't let me touch it.
That's why. Alright, here we go.
Ow. One went through my shirt. It did. Oh. That's pretty good.
Yeah, I should probably put motion in it. I wasn't putting any motion. And if you have no motion, then it has no stiffness, nice hip movements.
Hey, well, I didn't do nothing.
He's going like this. You want to show some hip movements? Cripple?
Triple movements, alright.
Get back to welding.
I don't know how everything is to weld.
Oh, he's busting moves.
Whoa! Crank it or back?
Crank back.
Same time.
Yo, scrape it.
I'm just actually
Right.
You see this right here? You want to hit that cameraman? See those holes right there? That's air gaps down into the pipes.
That's how my brother's exhaust looks like on his go-kart. It's very good.
Alright, got this haircut. What?
Maybe before you go on the other side.
Yeah? I was just about to turn it over.
Oh, okay. See how it seems like you got too much wire.
Yeah.
It's still hot. Once you mess with your wire speeds a little bit, it's already set to your thickness. So this welder just turn this dial. I would turn it down a bit, but adjust so the other side gets better.
Okay. I'll turn it over right now.
So I mean, I would probably put it. It's like 7.5 right now. I'd probably go like 7-ish.
Alright.
Funk. Welds break. That'd be funny.
Yeah, I got it.
Sure about that?
Nope. Good.
No, it's not.
Good.
Where we're gonna put our logo at, like right here.
RNG Customs.
Yeah.
Dude, we got alphabet with stickers in there. RNG Customs. Barbie edition.
Yes.
Thank you. Not perfect.
What are these two doing?
They're having a wheelchair fight.
They're touching
It ain't
food.
very exciting, but it's a wheelchair fight.
If you start to weld and it's too fast,
Yeah.
just move the wire.
Okay. I got you. I'm gonna weld up here first. So I can adjust that.
What are you gonna do?
Right here? I'll probably weld this seam right here first.
Alright.
I'll pull towards you.
Is that gonna fall off? No.
Now it's way too tall.
No! You wanna see a magic trick?
See that hole? Why are you doing that?
Oh, I don't know.
Just weld it again. Ouch.
Put on a long sleeve or sweater.
No. I'm getting cancer.
Fine.
See, if the thing is swaying, then I don't have to make movements when I move it.
Oh, yeah.
Just stop it from spinning. Alright, hold on. Maybe slow down to there.
Yeah.
Eyes.
God dang.
So, like,
It's not low today.
it's been on fire so many times. This is a good shot right over the head.
What's the paint? Yep. Ouch! Oh no. One last one. It's kind of hot.
I think it's not enough to. Oh, I don't know.
That's probably fine.
We should bring.
I'm gonna throw some more techie tackies on there just so, because I don't think it's penetrating enough into there, so I'm just gonna mold it into it a little bit more. Oh!
Did I get you?
A little bit.
Yeah,
Popping, and then I heard like giant kaboom. What's going on?
What noise does your gun make?
Kaboom. Kaboom. Oh. That looks like
Oh,
a gun
dude.
rack to me.
It's a little uneven. Should we fix that?
No, you can't fix that.
Try,
Unless you bend it.
should I do it? Step on it?
No, it's still hot.
Let's try to do it on that side since that's like cool.
No.
Try it.
Too bad. I'm a hot.
Zach, these have to roll up like a
300 pounds.
The
Wait,
angle
so-
iron is bending. See that?
Okay, no, we might have to throw another support on it, but we don't got any metal.
I'd like go over with like those ones, like this one. I go under and I hit it with a double up.
What? You can move your legs?
What? Oh no, it's just I was going like that.
It's mind control.
until you came over. Like as you can see, Travis, I was doing my job. This is only
Steady cam on the wheelie.
Tyler now.
Oh, I do it.
Oh my God. What? No.
Do it.
No.
Do it.
I'm gonna tell Mal on you.
Okay.
Do it. Dude, if Mal sees this video,
Dude, Jesse would be licking this thing if I did that. He's like, oh my god, I smell food, but it's metal. Okay. Looking like a
No, let it
lollipop.
go to waste.
He would lick this thing like a lollipop.
For school.
Yeah, it means I can do summer school.
Guess
Well,
what?
It's not. It's Cascadia Tech, and we get half a high school credit.
oh
And all
that.
we do is work on cars.
Hey, guess what?
Yeah.
I'm stealing his job at
We're
construction
asking if we
for
can
3
film.
weeks.
Really?
Yeah, I'm stealing his job in Baytech.
Oh, it's trippy.
He's gonna rail me.
Hey, catch up on this stuff.
My sister did summer
hold
school
it.
Hey,
last.
hey, we don't care about
Oh,
your
no,
sister.
Black and thing will be different color.
You got a leveler on here?
Garage.
What are we gonna do?
RNG Customs.
Zach, you got a leveler on here?
I should have made a
what?
sticker. RNG.
On the camera, it makes sure
hold on.
it's level.
Let me go see if I can find stickers. You guys want some?
Yes, I
Follow
want
us.
stickers. Oh,
Follow us into the
look. See that little line? It tells you when it's level or not.
Oh yeah.
Learner, this thing.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Hold this real quick.
Let me
Hold the chips. Go, move!
Don't make me not see that.
I got it. Boom. Oh! Zach him!
Alright, I think I got some good stickers.
Alright.
All right, so we got the first R
Oh
on.
my god, yes.
Are we gonna do R-E-T?
No, just
A-R-E?
R-N-G.
Come on, you got this.
I know. It's gonna be so center. I'm trying with all my.
Why not R-E-T-A-R-D?
You get redneck.
You know what he just spelled out?
No.
No.
Yes. We're doing full customs.
How am I able to spell right now?
You can't.
Miss Scott, you're doing something right.
Real one.
Miss Scott, you're a good teacher. You let too much Trevor, I can't call.
If you quit at the high school and go to the, or if you quit at the middle school and you go to the high school, trust me, I will find you.
Never do that.
Yes, she would.
She's
Now
dumb.
if she knows you're going into high school.
Who says I'm going to high school and not getting held back?
You're gonna be stuck with me now.
Bet.
That's not a.
Oh yeah, it's
Hey, just do an M.
customs. I just need an O, then an M, and then an E. Or then an S.
Quit rubbing it.
I'm getting it.
Have I gotten better?
What do you mean? Oh, on that, yeah.
The first time I looped it like twice.
He looped it twice in the middle of the street.
Hey, you
Yeah,
missed
the
it.
time I'm gone, dude. Oh,
Yeah, the time you're gone, you miss all the good stuff.
exactly. Nuh-uh. Here now.
Where's M?
M?
Down there?
Yeah, you're
I want the uppercase. This is the.
There is none.
There's no uppercase M.
Oh
Oh,
my
W.
God, Zach.
Who cares?
Miss Scott, you failed on this one.
What? This one says right next to me.
Yeah, how's this one smart and this one's dumb? Miss Scott, you're a good teacher, but come on. Zach Fuller's smart.
Travis got the butter sparks.
Should I say like 6:30?
Yeah.
Custo. You try to put the M on
Are
there.
we putting our numbers? You know what numbers?
Numbers.
Get the score and peel it off. You know that.
All right.
We gotta make it official.
Guess
Hey,
some-
what are we gonna do? Should we do John Deere green?
No.
Let's just tape it off. It'll be a.
bright color.
Why? We need to stand out.
We like dark green. That'll stand out.
No, because it's on. It's with black. I need to see it.
You need some
I
bright
need something bright so the black stands out.
Mexican.
All right. Well, here,
Pink.
there's tape. There's tape.
Where's the tape?
There's tape on the tool. No, red. Red.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
13 pieces is 28 calorie or 28
It's
grams.
just in the middle. So
Right here?
140 calories per serving. It's
How many
13.
1,000.
Oh, easily. And I only ate this
That's
back to myself so far, and there is 6 servings.
It's not even straight.
Still 22 hours.
Good. Let's just leave it.
Now this is our own little taste of, oh yeah, it's good.
Paint it. They're like letters like this. It looks good.
Hey, Braxton. Go call Kingston. He's calling on Zach.
16
I think Braxton's making a good drug deal.
Hey. That's it, dude. That's going in. Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna puke after this.
Yeah, I crushed it all.
That's thick. Oh, is it peeling up the sticker?
Hey, put that newspaper down. That's it.
Whatever.
Alright.
If it's bad, we'll just throw some more words on it.
Yeah. I'm gonna get that side. Or I'm gonna paint the side.
I was reading that.
Let me do this side.
I got it.
You got it? Ooh, look at that action.
Oh, that one.
Oh, you know the weight?
Oopsie.
There you go.
I broke one of them. We'll fix them right now. Okay, you have 40.
We should leave our thumbprints on it. Should we?
No. We're not gonna get any more business.
Too bad.
First business deal.
Yeah, Ma, if you're not gonna,
You gotta recommend us.
dude, some teacher out there was like saying if she wanted us like take her toe hitch or something.
Pitch done.
We put RNG customs on.
We should.
And it's
I can hear
I think it's sticking.
Should I tell him the problem, or you want to?
You can.
No.
All right, so now we
It's
painted this
leaving.
earlier. Well, we didn't let it dry fully.
It was dry. I picked it up and brought it in here.
Well, now it's sticking. It dried to the paint. Oh, yeah, it looks good.
Oh, it's not horrible.
Uh-oh.
Just gotta give it a little bit of.
Oh.
No. But it,
Get
oh,
the
it's
black paint.
No.
I was gonna get her.
I went down to bare metal.
Wheelchair.
Did it,
It's good.
Oh, I
Doesn't look
actually.
dang
horrible.
it. Just go grab one of those.
Nope. Slam.
Just go grab a blade. Let me hop on.
Alright. It doesn't look horrible for. We painted this about 10 minutes ago, so. I don't know.
I mean, what are they doing?
Alright, now we got this thing is all done and nice.
All
So,
dry.
We're bringing it to the school and we're gonna go show them. No, it's black.
I love it.
Yeah,
This is great. Don't breathe.
it's gonna break.
Please don't breathe.
We'll fix it again.
Dude, that's awesome. We'll give you a 10-day warranty on it.
10-day warranty.
I'll take it.
If it breaks within 10 days, Trevin gets an F.
Yeah.
That's the best deal ever.
I just did paint.
Alright, now we're in the weight room.
Put it right here. Or should we put it? I haven't scratched the weight. Yeah, this is a weight. I got 25s. Actually,
Alright, now she's up in the weight room. Where's the old one? That one's still going strong. Yeah, put her on there, bud.
alright, 45 pounds.
Snaps.
Oh,
Good.
245.
Okay.
Okay, put those on the side right here, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And that was on the side.
35.
I can't complain.
Didn't really rub the paint.
Oh, it's working good. Oh, feels so good.
Supposed to be that wiggly?
Well, yes, because look at.
I guess that's the angle iron bend it.
Yeah. Final one, final one. So that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's at least like 5 pounds.
I mean, that's 35 times 6.
Oh, you have to get a calculator.
I mean, I'm not very smart, so 35 times 6. 210.
We gotta put these up.
So my welds are benching 210 right now.
Well, these are just on the ground.
Well, this one's already welded on. I just threw some support welds on
This
it.
one's like the strongest because it's on the.
See, all this crap's just sitting here.
Oh. When did this break? How many days ago?
2 days ago.
2 days ago?
Yeah. Yeah, this is what the original one was.
Boy. Oh.
So this one, we got to skip that.
And then it's stuck. We should have lubricated.
What?
Should use my super lube that I had there. That stuff was highly flammable though. Alright. Alright. Sheet on there.
Get some hip. Hold up.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Oh, what are you doing?
Need more weight.
I don't think you do. Oh.
I'm saying this is my cousin.